I met Sonny and Sara at a local art studio and they were doing a workshop for kids with the toys and it just blew my mind. I just had to have them as part of the camp.
Hello.
Hi.
How's it going?
I am Sarah and I am a toy making artist.
I am Sonny, also a toy making artist and all the other arts
Community
mediums.
builder, purveyor of creativity.
Oh, those are big words. So we just make cool stuff.
Yeah. Clean your room, donate toys, and play and build was like the call to action, so to speak. The upcycling is a good word for New York City, and hopefully we can spread that all over the place. But we really like that word for fashion, for really anything. So when it translated into toys, after learning that these were sculptures, it was upcycled toys into sculptures, that really hits for me.
Turning trash to treasure. Like we got some broken toys.
Yeah.
We've given it
Oh yeah, the
surgery.
misfit toys, love that one.
Like a place for the misfits so they can feel like a regular toy again.
They're, different pieces and you put them together and they create a whole new soul, as Sarah calls it.
You're like on a God level, you create it and you can just have all these pieces and you create a new species. And destruction is fun sometimes because when you buy a toy, you're not supposed to break it or you get mad if your toy breaks, but it's more like, don't worry about that, just be free, break your toy, put it back together any type of way and it's still a toy. It definitely brings families together and kids could interact, like parents could see things about their kids they didn't really know that their kid was interested in. Play therapy is like something I discovered. It was like it's like a children's therapy. They play with toys and they work on different psychological things. So I thought that was really interesting. I was like, whoa, I didn't know.
Yeah, you can like almost get to know a kid's
a real thing.
Personality just by what they choose.
It kind of breaks down the boundaries of the no. And it allows people to kind of not be stuck in, toys need to be like this, and art needs to be like this, and I need to behave like this. It lets people show their personality, and that inner critic maybe disappears for a moment. Art is what we make it. Art is nothing and everything.
Stay creative.
Stay creative.
Stay creative.
Yeah.